Hello, dear brothers and sisters. You see a dog and a human being is in the same position on the street. Financial condition has put human being and a dog in the same street, in the same condition. So this is the situation in the country, all over in Bangladesh. Now we are in the Dhanmondi area. Most of the people are rich. They are the posh people. But for a distressed person, poor person, he has no bed to sleep after lunch. Maybe he hasn't taken any lunch, any breakfast. But you can hear sweet words of the MP voting candidates in 2026. So we pray to Almighty Allah. Allah will help these distressed people. He will give us such a financial condition as we can help both animal and human being. We hear a popular song in Bangla, মানুষ মানুষের জন্য একটু সহানুভূতি কি মানুষ পেতে পারে না. In English we can say man is for man. Can't a human being expect a good soft corner from the society? Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.